Assalamu alaikum. Today we discuss the salts which are dissolved more in acidic solution. Salts which are dissolved more in acidic solution. The condition is a salt which contains strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid. If weak acid, a salt containing a conjugate base, that should be a strong, or a salt contain conjugate base of weak acid, then that salt is going to be more dissolved, more soluble in acidic solution. Okay, let's take one example: cadmium sulfide. So cadmium sulfide is dissociated into cadmium plus 2 and S2 minus. Here sulfide ion is a strong conjugate base or else conjugate base of weak acid. For example, weak acid is H2S. Okay, if salt containing strong conjugate base, then that is going to be more dissolved in acidic solution. Here some of the H plus ions react with the sulfide ion and form H2S. Due to weak acid of H2S, it is not further dissociated into sulfide ion. Okay, hence the whole sulfide ion is, or some of the sulfide ion is converted into H2S. Due to decrease in the concentration of sulfide ion, the equilibrium shift to forward direction. This is according to Le Chatelier principle. Okay, due to decrease in the concentration. Why here decrease? The sum of the sulfide ion is converted into weak acid. Okay, this weak acid not further dissociate into sulfide ion. Okay, so that's why the decrease in the concentration of sulfide ion will result the more soluble. Why? Because the equilibrium shift towards forward direction. Okay, whenever the equilibrium shift forward direction, the cadmium ion concentration is decreased in solution. Okay, that's why the cadmium sulfide is more dissolved and form more sulfide ion. The formed sulfide ion is further converted into H2S. So cadmium sulfide is more dissolved in acidic medium or acidic solution. Why? Because the sulfide ion is a strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid, so that's why more dissolved. Coming to the next one, calcium carbonate. Here also same thing happen, Ca plus 2 and CO3 2 minus. Here CO3 2 minus carbonate, this is also strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid. In the presence of H plus, it will form H2CO3. It is a weak acid. So the further conversion of CO3 2 minus will not happen because of it is a weak acid. Due to decrease of concentration carbonate, equilibrium shift towards forward direction, hence the CaCO3 more soluble or more dissolved in acidic solution. Okay, coming to the next one, CuBr. Cu plus Br minus. Here Br minus is a weak conjugate base or else conjugate base of strong acid, H plus HBr. This is very strong acid. The HBr again whole HBr again converted into Br minus. The concentration of Br minus remains same in solution, so equilibrium shift backward direction. CuBr remains same in the solution, hence the solubility of CuPr in acidic solution is decreases. Okay, coming to the next one, Ag2S. Here also, due to the presence of sulfide ion, this is a conjugate base of weak acid, that is H2S. Okay, that's why here the solubility is increases. Coming to the next one, BaSO3. SO3 SO3 2 minus, not sulfate, this is a sulfite. This is a weak weak conjugate base of weak acid. Okay, H2SO3, this is a weak acid. So due to the strong conjugate base, the solubility is more in acidic solution. Coming to the next one, AgI. Here I minus is a weak base, and its conjugate and its acid is strong. Hi is a strong acid, so equilibrium shift backward direction. Solubility of AgI is decreased. Okay, AgI is decreased, so less soluble in acidic solution. Next one, KClO2. You have to check whether salt is having strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid. You have to check that one only. So ClO2, this is a strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid. HClO2, this is a weak acid, so solubility is high. Next one, AgCN. You know AgCN, Cn minus is a strong conjugate base or conjugate base of weak acid, that is HCN. This is a weak acid, so that's why AgCN is more soluble. So in given options you have sulfide more soluble, carbonate due to the presence carbonate more soluble, this is also more soluble, less soluble, more soluble due to sulfide, HI due to less soluble, more soluble, more soluble. Thank you for watching.